Take a white color cardstock which measures 16 into 20 centimeter, and I'm coloring this using cake colors. First, apply brown color on the edges like this. Now apply orange color and merge it with the first brown layer. Now I'm adding yellow color. Now take a wet brush and mix the color at all the edges. Now I'm just cleaning off the extra paint from the cardstock. So with this the base is ready. Now I have just drawn a rectangle of 16 into 12 centimeter, and from 16 centimeter I have marked on 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter and again on 4 centimeter. Now I have taken a semicircle which measures 3 into 8 centimeter and just making a door-like shape on the yellow sheet. Now cut this layout. Now I'm erasing the markings. Just fold both the flaps using ruler, and the gate is ready. Now I'm just drawing the window shape and will just cut this out using paper cutter. So in total I have created 4 windows like this, and pasting this window on our card. Now I have taken these flower cutouts and dipping this in water. Now place them on a tissue paper to absorb extra water. I'm just coloring these flowers using off-white color. Now let this dry for a few minutes. Now I'm taking my foam board and tweezers and shaping this flower. Pinch in center to give it a flower shape. Similarly, shape all the flowers just pinch on the petal using tweezers. Now using the ball tool, I am shaping these flowers from the center. Join the bigger petal with the smaller one using glue and again pinch in the center. Now I am adding micro beads of golden color in the center. I have taken these leaves cut out and just dipping it in water. Absorb excess water in a tissue paper. Now shape all the leaves using tweezers. You can shape this in different types as you want. In the similar way, I have created this yellow flower and these two pink flowers. Now we will assemble all of these flowers and leaves on the card like this. Now I am taking this brick stencil and making patterns on the base. Here I am using dark brown color, but light brown or black color can also be used. So the card is almost ready. Now I am taking this bird cutout and pasting this on the top right corner. I have taken this floral pattern paper and connecting this to the door. I have created this good wishes tag and adding this to the top left corner, and with this our card is ready. Hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.